Here's one particular feature you need to turn on right now for you to start gaining your 4,000 watch hours faster. So in this video, I'm going to show you the particular feature you need to turn on so that you can start gaining your 4,000 watch hours. If you are struggling to get your 4K watch hours, my dear, struggle no more. You just need to watch this video from beginning to end for you to get it right. And don't skip any part of this video. The part you might be skipping might be the part you need the most. So my dear, try to watch this video from beginning to end without skipping any part, because the part you might be skipping might later be the part you need the most. For you to get it right, you need to watch this video from beginning to the end. If getting your 4K watch hours sound like what you want for your account, my dear, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time coming across my video, my name is Comfort Augustine. So without wasting much time, let's dive into it. Before you turn on that icon, this is what you have to do. You have to get to your Google. So once you get to your Google, you type in your YouTube Studio desktop mode. So once you get to this page, you click in this YouTube Studio. After clicking on it, it will bring you to this page where you have to click continue to studio. Once you press the continue to studio, it will bring you to this interface. Here you have to click on this icon, this analytics icon. Once you click on it, it will bring you to this interface. Once you get here, the next thing you have to do is to click on this trend. Once you click on it, to bring you to this page. You can see get idea for your next video. So with this, you know the kind of video you create next, and you can see under it, you can see what people are looking for. People in my niche, this is the kind of video they are looking for. And you can type in any topic you want, any topic you want to drop a video on. You can see I just typed how to get 4,000 watch hours for the purpose of this tutorial. So I have to just put it like that so that we can see videos on how to get 4,000 watch hours. So after typing it, it's loading. So here you go, you can see a lot of topic on how to get your 4,000 watch hours. But under it, you will see medium volume, high volume, low volume. So for a YouTuber who wants to you want to use this particular topic, you have to go with the title, the one with high volume. That means the chances of you getting views are high. You will not go with the low volume. So you have to click on the high volume. Click on it. You can watch the kind of video the person in your niche created so that you have idea of the kind of content you'll be dropping. With this, you get your 4K watch hours because you have used this YouTube trend to check the possibility of the kind of video you want to make before making it. So you can see this one, they say low volume, high volume. You have already seen that this particular topic you are going for is of high volume. So if you deliver very well, my dear, you will get that views and watch hours. Share also videos of the topic we just searched earlier. Those videos are the videos that are ranking high, that are doing very well. So you can just go through any of the video and check it out before creating your video so that you have idea of what the person in your niche did differently to get such views that the video is ranking this high. So you have to watch it, go through it so that you can know what you have to implement in your own video so your own video can rank high as well. So my dear, if you can follow this method, you will get your 4K watch hours faster. Even if you don't get a lot of views, even if it's 20, 40, 50 views you got, those 40 or 50 people back, they will make sure they watch your video and you get a lot of watch hours because this is the kind of video they are looking for from your trend. You've already seen it that the possibility of you creating this video and getting views and watch hour is high. That's why you saw that high volume. So if you can deliver the video properly, I bet you they'll watch, even if it's a little number. Those people will watch because that's what your subscribers want. Doesn't matter the kind of video you drop. If your subscribers or those people that are watching your video are not interested in it, they will just click and pass. But if it's what they want, my dear, they will take their time and watch it. Doesn't matter. Some people used to get up to 10K views, but they have little watch hours because those people are not even watching their video. They are just clicking and that's just it. But if you can drop a better video and put in your best in delivering that video, my dear, I follow this method, you surely get your 4K watch hours. And mind you, this is what you need to do before you move to the next stage of you turning on that feature for you to gain more watch hours and subscribers. So here's where you have to enable that feature that will get you your 4K watch hours faster. So when uploading your video, you have to come down to this place that say automatic doubling. You have to click on here and here. What YouTube is going to do is that YouTube is going to publish your video in numerous language. Over 17% of the world population speak and understand English. So imagine setting English when you are publishing your video. YouTube will only push it to only people that understand English. But when you click on this automatic doubling, YouTube will push your video to a lot of audience. And YouTube is going to translate your video in their languages. Anybody that come across your video, YouTube is going to translate that video in their own language. With that, a lot of people will watch your video and you gain a lot of watch hours and even subscribers. So it is very important you turn on this feature. Once you turn it on, you will see you start gaining a lot of watch hours. And mind you have to be turning on this feature whenever you want to post a video. Whenever you want to post a particular video, you go down there, you turn on that feature. Hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to drop an amazing comment. If you have any question, feel free to drop in the comment section. See you next time. Bye.